Hello, all of you. CA Deepti Chheda here. I welcome you all to Skill Enhancer Series Part 4 today. Okay, it's Saturday weekend. Let me introduce myself first. I teach aspirant CA, CMA professional students. I provide them coaching for inter, final, and of course, accounts foundation also, and give them all the conceptual coaching in the concept classes, and I give them the practical insights so that they can bridge up this gap of theoretical knowledge which you get in the books and the practical knowledge which you need in the field. So, with this aim of making this bridge more strong, as the exams are over and results are expected soon, we have started up with this Skill Enhancer series. If you are watching this live, make sure you subscribe the channel, hit the notification so that as and how we come up with these sessions, because as you all are attending it live, you can ask all your questions and the speakers are all best national level. We have done earlier for resume, for self introduction, for interview skills and all. And today is a superb topic we are doing, that what exactly are the mistakes the CA students are doing and how can we avoid it so that we don't go wrong into stages, right? Okay, those who are joining live, I'm as it is putting an instruction here. Please say your name because we are using StreamYard. When you say hello or anything, we come to know who all are live with us. So here I invite our guest for today, CA Shankar sir. Hello, sir.
Hello,
Good
Deepti.
evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
It's a great pleasure. I was waiting to have a talk with you, to be very honest. And you
Same.
accepted my invitation. Thank you so much, sir.
No, the pleasure is mine. Anything for the students.
So nice, so nice. Shankar sir's introduction, like, it is superb. He's a chartered accountant with 29 years of experience and they done the post graduation course also from SP Jain College. After that, last 6 to 7 years, associated as soft skill trainer, train the trainer, speaker, writer with the image consultants, and he's a certified emotional intelligence coach also. And the list goes long, quite a long. So we are, and the training part, he has trained so many, more than 850 participants in the image consultancy, more than 2000 in the emotional intelligence workshop. So, sir, this is the area we are looking for. We want to discuss what exactly is happening because as the final and foundation results are out, so I directly jumped onto the topic. I welcome you, sir, here. And as the foundation and final results are out, the percentage when we are seeing the students who are joining this beautiful, I call it a beautiful profession, though the most dignified profession is the doctors. But after that, chartered accountancy is a superb course. So the entry is quite vast.
Correct.
Then, after writing the foundation in the inter, I'm just bringing to you the struggle what is going so that we can guide them how they can deal with all these blockages. So, at the inter level, once they clear first group, they need to join 3 years of articleship.
Correct.
So, most of the students are saying that they are diverted, they are doing everything extra, ma'am, after inter, not studies. Again, last 6 months, they are expected to write 8 subjects of CA final, which is
Correct.
quite technical. 6 months study time is not enough, and there, where most of the students are dropping out. So,
Sure.
how we can help them? What do you think are the mistakes they can avoid so as not to leave this profession? Yes.
Okay, so let me tell you what I used to do when I was studying for my CA. Now I'm talking way back in 1986. 85 is when I started my articleship. In those days, you could start the articleship and then parallelly you could study as well. So I
Yes.
started. Now we all know that articleship runs from around 10 a.m. in the morning to about 6:30 in the evening.
Yes.
That's the time. 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. was my college, Narsimonji College. I was studying. I live in Borivali. In those days, I used to live in Borivali. So reaching from Borivali to college was about an hour with
Okay.
whatever. You take a bus, go to the station, then take a train, and then walk it down to the college, whatever. It was an hour. So morning 5:30, 5:45, I used to leave home, reach college at 7 o'clock, 7 to 10 college,
Mm-hmm.
10 to 6:30 articleship, and then you know that we join classes, so maybe
Yes.
from 7:30 to about 9:30, 10 the classes. By the time I reach home, it used to be about 10:30, many
Okay.
times even 11 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Now where do you get the time to study, है ना? So I decided that somewhere down the line you have to draw a line and at least do 1.5 at least 2 hours in the morning, because I found that that is the time when your mind is at the freshest. When you
Correct.
get up first thing in the morning, there is no tension of the day, there's no tension of the work that has happened, nothing is there. So, whatever you can focus in the morning, that's the first thing you do. So don't make that mistake that, okay, I can't get up in the morning because I've already worked so hard at, the whole day. It's not going to
Correct.
happen. Somehow you have to manage to get up in the morning. This is my first advice, I would say. This is not a mistake, but this is an advice. The mistakes that CAs or aspiring CAs make. Okay, you said
Okay.
the 5 mistakes. Let's look at that.
Okay.
The first mistake is that presuming that becoming a CA means I am eligible to become a manager straight away. Doesn't
Okay.
work in the real world.
Mm-hmm.
It's like saying if I get a driving license, I'm an expert driver. You're not. You're not yet. You don't know how to drive in various terrains, whether it is mountainous terrain or a desert or any other terrain. You've got a driving license, which is a document which tells you that you are eligible to drive.
Okay. Okay.
Similarly, that CA degree gives you a document to show to the world that, hey, I'm a qualified accountant.
Yes.
But beyond that, what? You need to work through it. So don't make that mistake. First mistake is presuming that a CA degree means I can become a manager straight. No. The second mistake, the classroom simulations, trainings, even articleship, whatever you undergo is very different from the real world.
Correct.
Do you agree, CA as a CA? Isn't it?
Articleship is okay, yeah, but finalization and quite different.
Everything is very different when you
The
get into
learning starts actually when you are in the field.
exactly. So I'll tell you what happened. When I qualified as a CA and I joined an organization, I will not name the organizations here for confidentiality. The first 1.5 month, you know what I was doing? Photocopy, file, reference, cross reference. Photocopy, file, reference, cross reference. And I
Correct.
was wondering, is this what I became a CA for? However, when I got posted onto the first audit, that's where I realized the importance of this. Because had I not gone through that process, I wouldn't have been able to handle the audit of that magnitude. Number one. Number two, it also taught me a lesson that work not documented is work not done. With all the scams and other things that keep happening, if you don't document your work as a chartered accountant, you have no eligibility to call yourself a chartered accountant.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's the second mistake. Don't presume that just because what you learned in the classroom, you're going to get similar stuff when you step out in the world.
Correct.
The third mistake is that you don't learn the finalizations or preparation of balance sheet, P&L, the notes, the schedules, the gaps, whatever, by sitting in an AC room, isn't it?
You need to
You ask,
slog.
yeah, you need to slog. You ask any marketing guy, he or she will tell you that they
Correct,
went
correct.
to the markets, they sold the colas, the whatever, the soaps, etc., and then they became the marketing directors by
I
doing
also,
that.
yeah, yeah, sir. I also use like that slogging and success.
Exactly. And success is shabby. People think that I will become successful overnight. No, success is like this. It's very shabby. What people see is only the success, but they don't see the work behind that. So
Correct.
that's the third mistake. Avoid that. The fourth mistake is that in the early stages of life, when you're starting out as a CA, don't worry about what you earn. Worry about what you learn.
Such a nice word. Very good, very good.
Isn't it? If you get a good boss, stick around. What you will not learn in the classroom or that AC rooms, that boss will teach you. He or she will allow you to make those mistakes. The mistakes is okay, but what you will learn will be etched in your mind forever. Very, very important.
Learn and earn. Can I add on one of my experiences here?
Please
So
go
one
ahead.
of my friend, as you said, went to the CA's office and learned person, and he said, "You can have one-to-one with me. I'll guide you right from the basics till the finalization and all." So just
Yes,
by way of joking, when they said, "Sir, how much would be the stipend here in the office?" They said, "Stipend you should give us because we are training you. It's
exactly.
the institute's rule that we are giving the stipend to the students, but we are giving you training. So we need to value this two-way give and take." And you absolutely said is earning is not important in initial stages. Learning is.
Learning is
That's
important. And the last mistake is ignoring the softer skills. You see, the technical skills will get you the job, no doubt about it. But if you want to go up the ladder, your softer skills are extremely important. And when I say softer skills, what do I mean? I mean your communication skills, the way you present yourself, how emotionally intelligent you are, how do you manage yourself in the wake of stress, how
yes.
is your interpersonal skills. There are many aspects, but without getting into the details, these
Mm-hmm.
skills are equally important. And
Okay.
Deepti, you'll agree that अपने टाइम पे ये सब नहीं था जो GMCS या जो भी अभी इनका है. They are
Correct. Correct.
so
Correct.
lucky, the new lot,
Mm-hmm.
general management and communication skills that are being taught to
Yes,
them.
sir. Yes, sir.
I'm not complaining, or don't get me wrong, but I
Mm.
used to be a faculty at the Institute of Chartered Accountants. I'm still a
Yes.
faculty. But
Okay.
what I observe is that many a times they just come for the sake of attending the program. They don't want to
That
take benefit out of it.
correct. Correct. Correct.
Because remember, as a CA, you are a subject matter expert. You can't hide yourself under the garb that, hey, now I'm not, I'm a student. I cannot afford to say I don't know once I
Correct.
become a CA. You have entered the field to fight, and you fight, you go down fighting. You just can't say, no, I don't know about this. So these are the five great mistakes I would say. Try to avoid them, and your journey will be good. So,
Very nice inputs you have given, sir. I can so much correlate with this because when I am also taking classes, I am a faculty since last 20 years at ICI Lakri Kapul, Hyderabad. So when we take the classes, simultaneously on the other floors, ITT classes are going on. So
correct.
many students while on the staircase and all, sometimes they don't realize that okay, these are faculties. They say क्या करना है? किसी बंदे को रख लेंगे वो करेगा. But when
Exactly.
you have to get work done by others also, say
Correct.
tally or whatever, you need to learn it for once. We
Correct.
have cook and all at home, but we need to have that expertise कि we can guide them well. So you
Correct.
absolutely said the profession, the strategy, the stages are very beautiful in CA profession, but
Correct.
we need to value it and we need to exactly take it down. I know there's
Absolutely.
lot of pressure for the time constraint. So as you rightly said that they'll have to spare extra hours or
Correct.
balance somewhere, right?
No, I would put it slightly differently, Deepti.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Say.
Okay,
Yeah.
you cannot manage time. Have you
Okay.
gone to a beach? Anytime have you gone to a beach? बीच
Beach.
पे गए हो? या गए हो
Yeah.
ना? बीच पे जाते हो, जू बीच या कोई भी बीच. बॉम्बे में रह के बीच पे नहीं गया, ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता है, राइट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When you go to a beach
Yeah.
and you stand there in the water, the waves come, the
Hmm.
waves will hit your feet, and as they are receding back, you feel that the ground is being pulled under your feet. Have you experienced that? The sand is
Yes.
being pulled under your feet,
Yes.
and you think you're going to
Absolutely.
drown. You catch the hands of your friends tightly and you stay put there.
Yes.
Time is like that. Time will come, time will hit you, and you'll feel time is taking a part of your time. You have to
Okay.
stay focused. So you manage yourself. You don't manage time. You manage yourself. Time will manage itself. How is it that an Amitabh Bachchan or a Modi ji or Helen Keller or so many people who have succeeded in this life, they also had only 24 hours? How is it that they are able to manage themselves, but we are not?
Mm.
Have you ever thought at this age of 79, the
Yeah.
man still blogs every single day and
Mm.
early morning? And you can,
Mm.
I mean, I've been to KBC sets and other sets.
Mhm.
There is not a single shoot when he is not there before time. What discipline?
Wow. Amazing. What discipline.
What
What kind
discipline?
of
That is important. Whatever you do it with that discipline. You know,
commitment.
I used to start waking up at 3:30, 3:45 in the morning during my CA days. After 36 years, that habit still continues today. Even today, I wake up at 3:35, 3:45, maximum by 4, I'm out of the bed.
Oh.
You get a lot of time to do what you want when
Correct,
you
correct. In the
manage.
morning.
So this is what I would say.
Correct, correct. And I feel that when the students are saying no, time is not there, this a very basic question. Even I usually ask them is that it should be like your passion. Have you chosen this profession or not? That is one of the very important thing. Then automatically you will get time for everything. If you
Exactly.
feel that you have many of the students, especially I'm from Hyderabad, so general culture is not commerce. It is engineering and science, and this is a hub for IIT coaching. So
Correct.
it's like many students say, everyone in the family is doing engineering. Who told you to take commerce? Now see what. So this is a game. This is a serious game. Common people may not understand also.
Correct.
See, there's a joke. They say that when someone is asking you percentage in CA, we feel like this. कि pass fail होना ही मुश्किल है. So every profession is having a challenge. Like
Correct.
NEET student right now are facing lot of challenge. So
Correct.
as you rightly said it, that you need to stick to your goal and you need to make your own choice.
Absolutely.
Okay.
You can't schedule what's in your priority. You have to
Correct, correct.
prioritize what's in your schedule. That's important.
Right,
What is priority for you? See, if you ask me and my friends at that age when we were about 18 to 21, we were undergoing all these articleship and everything. For that 3 to 5 years, we put our effort. Thereafter, many of the people in the college did not succeed as much as we did. But that 5 year of struggle was important. I'll tell you a little story. Okay. A butterfly, the stage number 3 for a butterfly is that of a caterpillar, right?
okay.
Caterpillar.
Hmm.
After that, it becomes that, it takes the shape of that cocoon and it comes out of it. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, when it is coming out of it, it struggles a lot. A man
Hmm.
was looking at that and enjoying the process. But he found suddenly that the butterfly is not able to come out. So he
Hmm.
takes a small Caesar, उसके ऊपर तरस खा के, he goes and cuts it slightly, the cocoon. And he's waiting now for the butterfly to come out and take that flight.
Hmm.
Alas, the butterfly came out, but for the rest of its life, it could not fly.
Okay.
Struggle that the butterfly undergoes inside a cocoon is a divine indication of the fact that it is required for the blood vessels to be pumped into the wings, and when it gets that blood vessels and the power in the wings, that's when it can fly. So don't cut the cocoon there. Don't, वो तरस मत खाओ उनके ऊपर. That struggle is essential for you to flower as a, bloom as a flower when you become a chartered accountant and take
Hmm.
off your
Correct,
life after.
correct. Same here. I welcome all the students who are here. Lokesh, hi Shraddha, hi Lokesh, and Mohini, and these are all final students. So first thing I say, if you're getting little down, make sure you put your inter result only in front of you. So the
Yes,
journey what you have crossed is only great, and now you will take it ahead.
absolutely.
So,
I failed 10 times, overall.
yeah,
I don't
yeah.
have any shame in saying that because for me, what I learned is, and I quote APJ Abdul Kalam sir, fail का
Hmm.
मतलब है first attempt in learning.
Okay.
First
Correct,
attempt
sir.
in learning. So you
And
don't fail.
that I have some now a little out of the way, but nice experience when this is just a talk I want to share. The usual thing we hear on the radios and all, they say Sunday blues, bagana hai, Monday again, all. But actually, it is that hard work of Monday to Friday, that's so beautiful work. Then you are enjoying the Saturday, Sunday. Had
Exactly.
it been all Saturday, Sunday, same going on for the next week also, there would be no fun in enjoying. So as you
Correct.
rightly said, कि वो struggle होना है, then you enjoy that success and go through these grinding. And then I'm saying they all are making their beautiful stories. As
Correct.
we are sharing our experience and stories, and they are the
Absolutely.
students right now, they are all going to make superb individual stories, and they will say that during the COVID time also we studied and we have cleared.
Exactly. Exactly. They
Sir,
are
I
lucky.
would
To be
like
honest, they
your,
are.
yeah, yes, sir, say something.
No, I'm saying they are very, very lucky to live in an age where there is so much of information available at the tip of a finger. For us to get information was not that easy. I'm
Correct, very
talking
good.
about 36 years ago,
Correct,
35,
correct.
36 years ago. It was not that easy. We had to struggle a lot, but now everything is available at the tip of a finger. However, you realize that stress is even more. With the
Yes, sir.
improvement of technology, stress is increased. I don't know why. Stress should actually go down, but it is increased.
Okay. I feel it's the reason usually students share is that because more information is there, we are confused.
Exactly.
So how to choose exactly, they are confused. That exactly one mentor they should follow, how they should go by. They are diverted. Kabhi iske notes, kabhi ye videos, kabhi wo. So they
Exactly.
need to make the choice.
Exactly. They need to
So
make that
one
choice.
more
They need to be
query
clear.
students are asking here is that they many of the students they are all saying that they are focused in their studies, as I said, from foundation till inter. Then in article shape, because at a very tender age they are going to the corporate world and they are seeing all the practical side. It is very difficult to come back again to that passion and study for 12 to 14 hours, which is required for final. So how do they gather and do that? Almost all Shailendra, Lokesh, all of them live with us are in final. They want to know this.
So I repeat, okay, you cannot do this only during the last 2, 3 months of your exam. Utilize the time that you get, whether it is. So, as I said, I used to get up in the morning. So I will get about 2 hours in the morning from 3:30 to 5:30. Then while going in the train, I used to get about half an hour because in the morning generally there is not much rush. Again,
Correct.
I'm talking 36 years back, so the rush
Yeah.
was also relatively less.
Hmm.
So whatever little you could study, it could be even one answer or one part of a topic. Study it. Okay. Then many a times when we get into the college, we used to attend lectures all right, but whenever
Yeah.
a lecture is not there or we know that attendance aa gaya hai or abhi zarurat nahi hai baithna,
Correct.
we used
Correct.
to go and sit in the library. We used to go and sit in the library and study there till about 9:30 before
Correct.
leaving for the articleship. And even this is very important. If you do 3, 4 hours of study constantly every day, you can cover up a lot. And then in the last 2 months or 2.5 months, leave what you get is more
Correct.
than enough for you. And if you think that your strength is not taking both the groups but taking group by group, then take group by group. Do not work
Absolutely
on
right.
both groups together. There is nowhere it is said that you need to take both the groups. Fair enough. Ranks, etc., are fine. But the whole journey is to pass the exam with
Correct.
flying
Correct.
colors. And then thereafter your journey starts. Becoming a CA is important, but if you don't focus properly on your strengths, you will not be able to go through that process. And again, let me tell you a little story here. How do you focus on your strength? Okay, a karate champion was there,
Hmm.
and in a very freak incident, he loses his right hand.
Hmm.
Okay, and thereafter there is no master who's willing to teach him. So
Hmm.
this guy is struggling now, and finally one master agrees that I will teach you, and he says come next day. So he asks him to demonstrate a few moves. He demonstrates with whatever one hand he's got, he demonstrates. So the
Okay.
master looks at him very keenly and he says, okay, I will teach you one move, you practice that move. Okay, so he starts practicing every day. After about 2 3 months, he's kind of mastered it because he's already a master in karate. And he says, "Teacher, now teach me something else." He says, "No, practice that move. Go start participating in tournaments."
Okay.
My God. He says, "Are you mad? With one hand and one move, how can I participate in tournaments?" He said, "Do it." To his surprise, he starts winning the tournaments.
Okay.
So much so, I'm cutting the story short, so much so that he even reaches the world championship final. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, the world championship final is going on. The reigning champion on one hand and our one handed champion on the other hand. In the
Mm-hmm.
first round, he loses. And he tells his master, "See, I told you, you should have taught me many more moves." The master said, "Wait, there are many more rounds to go, and just wait, you'll get your chances." From the second round, the champion, the reigning champion, makes a mistake, and this one handed champion is all over him, and he wins the World Cup. World
Okay.
Championship. Now imagine the scene. The pupil, the master, both are collecting the cup and there are tears rolling down. And he says, How? How is it that you taught me one move and I became the world champion? And Deepti,
Mm-hmm.
can you tell me what the answer could be? The master gave.
No, I'm eager to know what is the secret, sir.
So the master told him that
Mhm.
that one move which I taught you was one of the most difficult moves in karate, and you did it so many times that it became your strength.
Okay.
And in order to negate that move, people would have had to catch your right hand, which you don't have.
Okay.
So he even converted his biggest weakness into his strength.
Strength.
This
Exactly.
is
So
important.
well
There's a
said.
lesson we take in this, isn't it?
Correct,
As
correct, correct.
a CA student, you focus on your strength so much that it should sail you through the exam. But if you think there are some topics which you cannot do without, go and put your focus there and read it, reread it, reread it, reread it. That's the
Mhm.
way you'll master it. And
Correct.
don't ignore the suggested answers. Don't ignore the study material. Suggested answers is one of the best mediums that you will ever get. 10 साल 15 साल का एग्जाम सॉल्व करो with answers
Correct.
there. सॉल्व करो उसको
Yes,
बैठ
sir.
के. This is
That
all we
gives, yeah, that gives exactly the language what they are expecting. You are
exactly.
writing the correct answer, but maybe in the 4 points, and it is written over there in the 5 points. So how they
Exactly.
want it, that is also necessary. So
Exactly.
rightly said, sir. Even now, these students have to go to colleges to write internals, and
Yes.
some what do you say, internal anger या गुस्सा रहता है. अच्छा आप सीए कर रहे हैं, तो many of the students tell me, this is an actual experience. They say, "Ma'am, they make us stand in queues for 3 to 4 hours. पूरा साल तो आप दिखते नहीं, जब एग्जाम है तो you come to the college and they ask us to wait." I said, "Good. They are asking you to wait, no? In your own voice, you can record your some theory answers or some pointers and keep listening to it. The way
Exactly.
you, yeah, and nowadays people are singing that lyrics of some Sri Lankan song and all. See, we don't know the language, but
See,
still we are repeated listening. So just put the headphones. I think
exactly.
you must have also used Walkman for studies. We used to use.
Yes. What you
Okay.
said is so relevant, Dipti. There are different learning styles for each person, you know.
Correct,
Somebody
correct.
is an auditory learner, somebody is a visual learner, and somebody learns through activities. So for the learner who's an auditory learner, it is so beautiful to record the answers. And as you rightly said, put in that Walkman or that whatever nowadays. So there is a lot of
Yeah,
small
yeah,
little
yeah.
stuff come.
Smart thing.
Keep listening in the
And
train when you're going.
yes, when
All
you're
the time.
traveling time,
Exactly.
waiting time, if you listen, and two in one, by listening to that podcast or that lecture, you can remember the concept also, and that gives a boosting satisfaction. Yes, I'm moving baby step towards my
Absolutely.
goal. So that
Absolutely.
boosts the motivation of the students also.
Absolutely. And for visual learners, I would say start preparing mind maps.
Okay.
Very important. Mind map is mapping what is in your mind into the paper. So, for
Okay.
example, I'll just give you a little example.
Yes,
I
sir. You can talk about mind mapping. It would be helpful to them.
so
Yes,
when
sir.
I say I want to do a talk on some topic, okay. So I may get overwhelmed. What am I going to talk? But every talk has an introduction. Every talk has a major point or two or three major points. Every talk has a conclusion. Every talk has some transitions. So you've covered one point, you're moving to another point. And
Hmm.
every talk needs some examples to be given so that people understand it better. What have I done? I have taken the topic. Let's say topic is public speaking. Public
Okay.
speaking, there are so many subtopics. So as I said, introduction. Now, introduction I can do by various means, not by saying that, hey, good morning, my name is Shankar Vishwanath, that everybody know that your name is Shankar Vishwanath. Don't say what is obvious. Say something that will catch the attention of the audience.
Yes.
So there's a way of communicating in the marketing which is known as AIDA: attention, interest, desire, and action. You need to
Okay.
grab the attention of the audience. So I can start with a quote saying that a brain that opens to a new idea does not revert to its original size. So if your brain is opening today to some ideas, I'm very happy because it will not revert to its original size. And
Mhm.
a learning that does not create a change is like a parachute that doesn't open in case of need. So what's the
Mhm.
point in learning if you can't apply what you learn? So
Correct.
today, then I start my topic saying that today I'm going to talk to you about some practical stuff which you can go back and apply. I've caught their attention. All
Mhm.
this is through mind mapping because I'm talking without anything in my hand. There's no paper. I'm not looking and talking or doing anything. But when you talk, if you have a mind map in your mind,
Mhm.
we can probably do a session if required on mind maps, and I can
Sure,
help them.
sir. Sure,
It
sir.
can be a visual session where I can draw
Yes.
and show as well.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it will help a lot. Now,
Correct,
why
sir.
and how? In an answer, every answer has got three portions.
Yes, sir.
Something that's a must have. You cannot avoid it, the conceptual clarity. You have to write it.
Yes.
Something that is should have, you need to give one or two examples if possible. And something that is could have, any other references, etc. So if you
Yes.
can map your mind in such a way that this is the must have, I cannot avoid this, I have to write this. This is the should have, at least one example that gives more weightage to the answer that you're writing, and something could have. A simple mind map
Correct,
helps us.
correct.
And you can do it in practical
Yes,
subjects,
sir.
theoretical subjects, any subject you can do it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And usually I explain them in the class because for many of them, if mind mapping is new word, it is just like how we use Google to travel from A to B. So two, three times we are seeing all the landmarks and all. The
Correct.
fourth time when we travel, we know that after this we need to take a left, then pink building we need to take the right. So when you do
Absolutely.
this mind mapping works superb, sir. I have got 95 in accounts all over India. I was topper in
Exactly.
Inter. So those
Exactly.
days, amalgamation, it was like mind map. Don't skip the step. Otherwise, somehow
Exactly.
everyone comes smiling in the exam. Balance sheet tally ho gayi. But
Exactly.
internal, all the answers are wrong. So
So
definitely we'll take it up.
from now on, you include mind mapping in your program and teach
Yes,
them.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. Great. So at least
And
the brain is open to a new idea today.
yes, sir. And any more questions are there? Keep putting whatever has already been sent by students we are covering. You can put it in the live. Those who are attending after listening also, if you have some more questions, please
Yes.
put it here.
Yes.
Okay. So one thing is now, as you said, two categories I feel are there in CA journey. One is who are aiming for the rank. There is a different category, and they feel first attempt we want to clear both the groups. Another category is the students who say, ma'am, of course I took two, three attempts, but when I said that I've cleared both groups, everyone was congratulating and no one
Correct.
else was asking my marks and attempt.
Correct.
So my question to you, how does it matter because you are in corporates and you're in practical field? How does it matter actually how many attempts you have taken? Because my students never ask me, Dipti ma'am, you are teaching last 21 years. Now, how many attempts did you take? आप कितनी बार फेल हुए थे?
ठीक है बराबर I told you I failed 10 times before I became a CA.
Oh
Okay.
my God.
Now, now there are three ways to look at it. Okay. If you want to be in the corporate world,
Mhm.
job, that is job, then
Okay.
the number of attempts do matter at times. And
Okay.
only in your initial first 2 to 3 years, I would say, not beyond that. Because
Okay.
once you get your experience in the real world, then
Hmm.
nobody, I mean, not a single interview apart from my first interview has anyone asked how many attempts have you taken to clear.
Wow, that's a great input, sir. Every student should listen this clip. I think ये वीडियो का पूरा फिर से सुनना है and I should make this as a clip. That's
Seriously,
a
if you
great tip.
want to be in a job, yes, it does make a difference that if you have cleared in the first attempt, you stand a better chance. But if you want to be in practice, nobody is going to ask you. Nobody is going to ask you how many attempts you took to clear, because you're going to set up a practice and then you're going to start your own stuff thereafter. If you
Correct.
are already having a business and if you want to be in that, again, nobody is going to ask you. So, to answer that question in a simple way, yes, if you want to get into the corporate world, it does matter. But my experience has been that it's only in the first 2, 3 years of your
2 years, 2, 3 years.
nobody
Okay.
asks after that, seriously.
Okay.
Once you establish yourself as a person who's a hard worker, who knows what he or she is doing, and you are very clear and focused on one niche. I would call it a niche, just like we trainers have a niche. For example, I'm specializing in emotional intelligence. So that's a
Okay.
niche. If you have a niche, for example, you want to do statutory audit, or you want to do tax audit, or you want to take up taxation, again, indirect or direct taxation, you want to take
Yes.
up due diligences, anything that you do, if your niche is clear and if your knowledge and if your application of facts are clear in that, thereafter nobody asks. This is
Okay. Superb input, sir. Shailendra is saying, yes, ma'am, that was a big concern, and this is a relief, sir, what you are saying. And yes, I can really feel that after 2, 3 years, if you're smart and like if they need to choose, okay, he's the one who is able to do all the work perfectly well, he's dedicated, he's having expertise, he's having practical knowledge. No one is going to ask and turn back and say, okay, how
see,
many attempts did you take?
also
Exactly.
I'm sure these students have undergone interview skills and all that, right?
Correct,
So
correct, yes.
one input I would give, and I give this to all my students or anybody who talks to me in that student category, is that whenever you go for an interview, try to showcase your strengths as a solution provider, not as a problem seeker. people
Such a
don't want people people who identify problems. Once you get into a corporate and you demonstrate that you are a solution provider, automatically you'll go.
wow, such a wonderful word that you need to learn to provide solutions and you grow. Learn to provide the solutions and you grow.
Exactly.
Right.
I mean, in my 30 years career as a chartered accountant, more often than not, I was a stepney. Stepney का मतलब क्या है मालूम है ना? A
Huh.
stepney is a tire that is used only when there is a puncture.
Correct,
Okay.
correct, correct.
But I take it as a very big compliment to me, because wherever there used to be problems, put Shankar, he will find a solution and come. Are you getting? I have handled
Yes,
income tax raids, I have handled enforcement directorate raids, I have handled forensic audits. You name it, you know how difficult these things are.
yes,
But
yes.
handle kiya hai. So that means that they looked at me as a person who will give a solution, not create more problems. So be a
Hmm.
solution provider, not a problem seeker. That will
Yes.
help you.
Sir, one challenge I know students are facing, like we say in our time, of course, utna ye nahi tha, wo nahi tha. But I feel every age, 2095, I started my journey as a CA, and 2021 now it is. So every age is having its struggle. And here is one of the question from our student Lokesh. I'm reading out for you because it is very relevant actually. Ma'am, in this pandemic, how do we self motivate as we don't have competition from peer group? I shall I elaborate 2 minutes this question, sir? This
Go
is
ahead.
because nowadays the coaching is online and most of it are video lectures. तो वो जब दो तीन लोग मिलके सॉल्व करते हैं ना इन द क्लास, आई लव दैट सीन कि वो ईगो हर्ट होता है, उसको आंसर आया मुझे क्यों नहीं आया. So you know that tempo is different. Arey ma'am, and they see teachers as a mirror every day in front of them. That's what genuinely they are missing, because everything is like they need to study self, and there are hardly any group of the students who are meeting. So such a nice and relevant question he has asked, that we are not getting that healthy competition from our peer group. So now, what is the solution for this? How can we
Okay,
do this?
so I don't know where you are sitting right now. Where are you now? Which part of Mumbai are you, or you're in Hyderabad
No,
right now?
no, Lokesh is from Hyderabad. He's
No, you. Where are you from?
I'm from Hyderabad, sir.
You're from Hyderabad, right? Now you are in
Yes,
Hyderabad, no?
yes,
Correct.
sir.
And I'm in Mumbai.
Okay.
And did we have this kind of interaction when you and I studied chartered accountancy? Was this a reality at that time that Dipti sitting in Hyderabad could talk face to face with Shankar like this? It was not.
Mm, it was
This is the
not.
advantage this group has right now. There is Zoom, there is MS
Mm,
Teams, there are so many Google Meet, so many other workplaces which are available. What stops Lokesh and his friends or his peer group to connect in a Zoom room? Okay, a Zoom
mm,
room for 40 minutes is free, always. Always
yes,
it is. You can
yes.
count up to 20 people, 40 people can join if you want. Keep it to 10 or 10, 15 people. Breakout room facility, everything is available there. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What stops you from going into 2, 3 different breakout rooms for 10, 15 minutes,
Mm-hmm.
discussing the problem as a group, coming back into the plenary and presenting your points of view and having a healthy competition and discussion amongst yourself? Is there
Wow,
anything?
that's superb, sir. Yes, sir. They can decide on a common topic and then
Exactly.
ask each other questions and discuss it.
Exactly. Exactly. और every week or every 2, 3 days में एक बार आप मिलते हो. Let's say I am part of a group. I can present one topic today. All of you cross question me so much. You ask whatever questions you want. That means I have to come prepared. I just can't come and stand there and deliver. Next week somebody else will do. Third week somebody else will do. What are you doing? You're sharing your knowledge at the same time creating a healthy competition. अरे यार उसने last week बहुत अच्छा present किया. मुझे भी ये week करना चाहिए ऐसे.
Yes, sir.
What
So
stops you?
because
You are in
correct.
the best of the period, I would say, Lokesh. We had nothing with us. हमको वही
And
बुक लेके बैठना है, लाइब्रेरी में बैठ के पढ़ना है. आपको तो बहुत ही फायदेमंद पोजीशन पे.
so now you take the initiative, location. When you will take this initiative of making a group and seriously discussing Zoom, like people would be eager, and you will carry on this lifetime. Like sir said, that right shoulder, that what was the weakness? You are not meeting your peer group. So now through Zoom you meet, and lifelong you will say this, that I
Exactly.
connected all the friends, and we could study so well through
Very so.
Zoom also.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah.
true, very
And,
true,
and,
sir.
and
Wonderful.
believe me, Zoom is not very expensive. Okay. So even if they want to take a paid Zoom, 10 of them
Yes,
coming together, it'll cost them maybe 1,000 rupees per annum. Per annum, I'm saying. उतना भी नहीं
correct,
होगा.
correct.
11,000
Very,
रुपया तो है साल का, जिसमें
yes, sir.
100 लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. और क्या
It's
चाहिए आपको?
well, so nice, so nice.
All the
So
features.
you have given a different way to see the situation, sir. That's so beautiful, and these students are having that. They have grinded already foundation, intern,
Exactly.
articulation, and these students like Mohini has got 4 exemptions in all the 4 subjects. Those she wrote group wise. So no chance of getting demotivated. Put your results only in front of you.
You
Sometimes,
want motivation? You want motivation?
yeah,
Okay.
yes, sir.
A girl, a girl was coming from Uttar Pradesh to Delhi.
Okay,
Okay. She was going to represent the national volleyball team the seventh time in her life. Okay.
okay,
Now that route, Uttar Pradesh to Delhi, is a little notorious route. Okay. At night, certain gangsters, certain hooligans encountered her in the train. They wanted to snatch her chain. They wanted to take her luggage, but she resisted. And there was a fight between them, and they pushed her out of the train.
okay.
As she fell onto the tracks, one of her legs went onto the other track, and there was a train coming from the other side, and that went over the leg. She lay there like that for the next 3 hours.
Mhm.
49 trains went by this way and that way. Somehow the villagers spotted,
Mm.
correct, gave her some little first aid. But because she was a national volleyball level player, the news reached Delhi, and then next day help came and they took her away. Multiple operations were performed, back fracture, multiple fractures, one leg amputated, and doctors said for the rest of your life you will stay in the wheelchair. It seems when she got consciousness, she said, if God has kept me alive, there must be a purpose. And the purpose is I want to climb the Mount Everest.
Oh.
And doctor said, you must be crazy. With one leg, you want to climb the Mount Everest? She said, yes, I want to climb the Mount Everest. She worked hard. She got in touch with Bachendri Pal, the best mountaineer of this country. Bachendri Pal told her, it seems just hearing it, that I want to climb the Mount Everest with one leg. She said, ho gaya beta, aapne kar liya. Today, as we speak, she has not only climbed Mount Everest, she has climbed all the other six peaks of the world.
Wow.
With one leg, she's the only lady athlete in this country with one amputated leg to climb all the 7 peaks of the world. She's a Padma Shri recipient of 2015, and I'm sure your students have guessed who it is. If you can ask that question, who is this?
Yeah, tell me, anyone knows the name? In the meanwhile, Lokesh is saying, yes, ma'am, I'm encouraged. I will try the technique what you said.
It is Arunima Sinha.
Arunima Sinha.
Last year she was in KBC. This previous KBC she was invited.
Okay.
Arunima. और क्या चाहिए motivation आपको? What more self motivation do you need? I mean, people have done things just sitting under a lamppost and they've read. And the Padman, for example, what he did, Mr. Subramanian, isn't it? I may be getting the name wrong, but what he did, how he did. Everybody who has achieved something has gone through struggles in life, isn't it? Even your
Because, what I'm feeling is we are giving up too early. क्यों छोड़ना है? Why we are giving up? Because every profession is having its struggle, and I think the when we come, because we are CAs, we talk about money a lot. Then whole CA package is not more than 2,50,000. More than that is the yearly fees of so many other courses.
correct.
We're literally saying one of my sister's son, when he's taking admission in designing college with 24 lakhs fees, he's saying, when I'm going to work and recover this. So we
Exactly.
should value this profession, that
Absolutely.
things are really available at a very nice level and at a very nice pace also.
Exactly. Super.
So one thing too, because of we are talking about this boredom and how to get motivated. I have experienced that when I was writing my CA final, I was writing simultaneously my Hindustan classical exam also. So 9:30 to 10:30 my music class, 11 o'clock to 5 o'clock office. Again, as you said, same article shift. So, and we are very famous. I don't know, just as a way of joking, we can work very best in pressure.
Correct.
So, what do you say to students that can they carry on their passions and their hobbies also with this profession, and how?
They must. They must, I would say. Not can they, must. I think I made that mistake. I had some talent within me, which has come out in the last 6-7 years. So I learned doodling. I restarted my singing thoda bahut. So don't ever leave your passion. After becoming a CA, I have helped at least about 100 students to pass after that. For me, it's a big thing. I've helped 100 students to pass after that. They all told me, probably you should have started a coaching class. It would have run very well. Maybe it was not destined to happen at that time. But today, that teacher has come out, isn't it? I'm also a teacher in a different way. You're teaching CA students, I'm teaching corporate guys, and everybody is a student, isn't it? We as students are no different than the children. We are elongated children, that's it.
Yeah, just one step ahead maybe, but we are also students.
So
Agree.
don't leave your passion. Practice at least 1 or 2 hours or 1 hour every day your passion. Who knows, a time will come when that passion could become your profession.
So nice. And that is something to look forward. We don't feel tired. Many
Exactly.
students हम कैसे कर लेते हैं कि सुबह से शाम when crash courses are there, we are teaching. But when you are in your passion and you love your work, you don't feel that you are tired.
Exactly.
That's
And it's a good diversion. When you are stressed, go and you take your passion and stay with it. It helps you to come back into the mainstream.
Yes.
That is the beauty of it. So don't ignore your passion.
Yes. Sir, I've heard a lot with you about emotional intelligence. So, can we talk little about it,
Sure.
especially for the students, how they handle this stress in the office and with their coaching and all? Obviously, in the corporate world, and I feel frankly, I use this word, they are too tender ki inter ka ek group khatam ho gaya and they go for the
Correct.
internship. So, this
Correct.
emotional intelligence and stress, are they correlated and how they can be benefited from that?
Sure. So, emotional intelligence is nothing but it's an ability. Okay, so it's a
Okay.
skill. It can be learned. Unlike your intelligence, which after a particular age does not improve. So, your IQ doesn't improve after, say, 15 or 18 years. That's it, period. It doesn't improve after that. But your
Mhm.
EQ can improve for the rest of your life. And
Okay.
yes, there are certain domains in it. First thing
Mm,
is to become aware, self
mm,
awareness.
mm,
How do I become aware of myself? Is a
mm,
domain, it's a competency in itself. Then
mm.
there is self regulation. How do I manage myself? I mean, if we get into too much of details, this session will go on and on. So
Correct.
I'm just giving you the top 5 competencies. We can have a full session if you want on emotional intelligence, not an issue. But self regulation is nothing but managing yourself in the wake of stress. What
Okay.
is stress? Let's look at what is stress.
Mhm.
What is stress? What do you think is stress? You tell me.
I feel some situation at home, at office, or on street or somewhere it comes and you're not able to handle it. That
Correct.
creates stress or
Correct.
frustration.
Correct. You had a bottle of water, no, in your hand.
Yes, sir.
Just take that bottle of water in your hand again. Just take the bottle of water.
That is like lifeline for me.
Keep showing it here. I want to see how
Yeah.
much water do you think is there in that?
Less than, okay, now I think it's less
Yes,
than half a bottle. Yeah.
less than half. Matlab half a liter.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I ask you to keep your hand like this with the bottle, with the bottle,
Uh,
how long
uh,
can you hold it like this?
oh my God, not more than few minutes.
Not more than few minutes. What will happen if you hold it like this for the whole day?
My hand will stain, sir.
You will probably need an ambulance, isn't it? Now you've kept it down, right?
Yeah.
Stress is like this. It is
Mhm.
not the volume of water that matters. It's how long you hold on to it. The volume of water is the amount of stress that you're facing within that bottle. That doesn't
Mm.
matter. Even an empty bottle you hold like this for the whole day, you'll still need an ambulance. It's how
Correct.
long you hold on to it. So, for
Mm.
example, this is a mobile. Correct? It's a smartphone, people say now. So you're holding on to this every now and then you're looking at it, whatever you're doing. Towards the end of the day, you put it down and you go to sleep. And then you
Mm.
get up in the morning, and the first thing is like, ah, now मैं एक मुकम्मल इंसान हूँ. I'm a complete human being with this. Are
Okay.
you understanding what I'm saying? You're carrying that stress with you everywhere you're going. Put it down. Stress is a byproduct. Stress is not a direct product.
Mm.
Stress happens when pressure is more than resources.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Am I right in saying this? When
Yeah. When
pressure
you
is more
work.
than resources, there is
Mm.
stress.
Mm.
Now, the moment you realize this, you need to take a break from that. And the break can be only through your hobbies and passion, which you asked.
Oh, so much of course. We need to divert ourselves to handle this. Many
100%.
times I feel now two people are fighting and someone is going out of the scene. So it's
Exactly.
like better to move out of the situation for some time if we are not able to deal with
Exactly.
it.
थोड़ा सा
There are
diversion. Your mind needs a diversion, and get your priorities right throughout your life. If you take a jar, a big jar, and if you put sand in it,
mm-hmm.
and then if you put small pebbles in it, and then if you try to put the big rocks, only one or two rocks can go in.
Okay,
But if you put the big rocks in it first, then you put
okay,
the pebbles and shake the bottle, the pebbles will go in the places which are left between the rocks.
Yes,
Then
sir.
if you put sand in it and shake it further, the sand will go in places between the rocks and the pebbles.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you learn from that? The big rocks are your priorities of life.
Okay.
Get your priorities right. क्या आपकी priority है? You cannot schedule what's in your priority. You have to prioritize what's in your schedule.
Correct. Correct.
If it means that you have to focus on 3 or 4 things and get it done, so be it. है ना, महाभारत में अर्जुन ने ही क्यों उस मछली के आंख में मार सका वो? Because every time Dronacharya asked all the others, they were saying, I can see some tree, I can see some leaves, I can see this, I can see that, whatever. But जब अर्जुन को पूछा तुझे क्या दिख रहा है, उसने बोला मुझे सिर्फ वो मछली का आंख दिख रहा है या वो पक्षी का आंख, और कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, चल छोड़. That is how your focus should be. And
So beautiful.
and the biggest myth in this world is I am a super multitasker. No. You can do multiple tasks one at a time. You cannot multitask.
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it?
Yes.
And if you want an example for this, I'll give you an example right now. Okay? Can you say ABCD very quickly up to Z? Just say quickly ABCD up to Z.
Okay.
बोलो जो
HIJKLMNOPQR STUVWZ
XY. Okay, great. Count 1 to 26 very quickly.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Beautiful. Now I want you to do multitasking, okay? I want you to say 1, not A. 1 Z.
Okay.
2 Y. बोलो जोर फास्ट बोलो, जितना फास्ट अभी बोला बोलो फिर से.
Not possible, sir.
That itself shows that you can only concentrate on one thing at a time. You can say it. If you practice, you'll be able to say it. But again, 1 Z, 2 Y, 3 X.
Speed will be less.
Speed will be less, which means you're focusing only on one thing at a time. It's such a simple but powerful example. People who think that I can do super multitasking, you can't do.
No, even I don't believe in multiple things. As you said, we can do one after the another. That is right.
That is why focus on what you're doing. Then you won't get tired. It's only when you try to focus on multiple things, and this is where emotional intelligence comes in. Because there is something known as amygdala in your brain. It's an almond-shaped thing which exists here, somewhere here. Okay? That is supposed to be a security guard in your mind. Now, a role of a security guard is to घर के अंदर कोई आता है, बिल्डिंग के अंदर कोई आता है, तो चेक करना कि वो कोई चोरी नहीं करेगा, सब कुछ सेफ है नहीं है ना? So it's a safety measure in your brain. But at times, this fellow looks at perceived threats and fires. Now, what is a perceived threat in the case of a CA student? मुझे आर्टिकलशिप भी करना है, मुझे पढ़ना भी है, मुझे कॉलेज भी जाना है, मुझे क्लासेस भी जाना है. All these are perceived threats. But if you break it down into 4 different tasks, and which is multiple tasks, when you're in your college, you're in your college. Forget about everything else. Stay in your college. Once you get exactly compartmentalize it, you'll be able to focus very well. So this is what emotional intelligence teaches.
You have recollected. I used to do the same thing. Compartmentalize. When we are doing music, it's music. When it is Sunday, it is Sunday. Then
Exactly.
also that's what exactly. When you are studying, then keep your mobile aside and study. When you are with friends, then don't talk only about studies.
Exactly.
So exactly, we all just know all this. But thank you, sir. We could recollect so many things from you, and these all stories are really motivating, and we have really feeling like elevated ki nahi ab karna hai. This is a valuable profession, and we should go ahead and make our own story. We don't know that they are listening and they are watching this video. They are going to be in the next Josh Talks or some other talks in future. Right,
I will tell them 3 things to remember always.
Yes, sir. In the end, you can tell them. Yes, sir.
Yes, 3 things to remember. Nothing good in life comes cheap.
Yeah.
Nothing good in life comes cheap. Okay,
Very true.
there are no shortcuts to success.
Okay.
And the third thing is that you are your biggest catalyst or your biggest hurdle. You decide what you want to be in life. If you want to be a hurdle, that's it. You'll be a hurdle all through your life. But if you want to be a catalyst, you'll be a catalyst. You'll go ahead in life. And I'll end with a very small story, a beautiful story.
Yes.
One man caught a bird in the hand, a small bird, okay? And that bird told him, please release me. I will give you 3 pieces of advice that will change your world. That will change your world forever. And now I'm telling the students to imagine that they are that man and they've caught the bird. Okay?
Okay.
So they have to let go of the bird. And it said, as soon as I reach the first branch of that tree, I will give you the first advice. As soon as I reach the second branch of the tree, I'll give you the second advice. And as soon as I reach the top of the tree, I'll give you the third advice. So the man says, Pakka na, you'll give me the advice, no? He says, yes. So he releases the bird. So it reaches the first branch and it gives him the first advice. Do not regret for your past mistakes.
Absolutely right, sir. Yes, sir.
First advice. The second advice it gives that don't believe anything that anybody says if it goes against common sense unless there is solid proof to prove that it is true. Okay? And then it says, you are such a fool. I had 2 diamonds inside me and you let me go. If only you had caught hold of me today, probably you would have been the richest person in the world. Now this man is crying, oh my God, why did I let go of this bird? I'm so sorry, I let you go. But will you give me the third piece of advice? It goes to the top of the branch and says, you are such a fool. I just told you, don't regret your past mistakes. And you're regretting that you let me go. I also told you not to believe anything that goes against common sense, and you're believing that I still have 2 diamonds inside me.
Yeah.
So, what do we learn from that? If you cannot apply what you have learned in your life, what is the point of learning? As a student, whatever you learn, you should be able to apply it in your real world. And for that application is what your articleship is. That helps you to apply what you learn. Don't treat your articleship just like a dummy articleship ke ho jayega 3 saal kuch kar liya and then once I become a CA I will learn. No. Once you become a CA, you're a CA, finished. There is no learning on the articleship part there. Then you have to learn from as a CA there. Okay, so that's very, very important. You have to learn to apply what you learn. That's the message that I am going to leave them with. Thank you very much.
Amazing, 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 sir. Thank you so much. Got so many inputs from you, and you spent almost like it's 1 hour not realizing in these stories, in this talk, in this practical insights. And this is what students are saying. Akansha is saying you are a good motivator, sir. Shailendra is saying thank you so much, sir. It's all true. So really, this is a perfect time when we needed. They all needed motivation and you agreed to give a talk here. So I'm so grateful to you. I really want to see my students go ahead than me. And after 3 years of their articleship, after qualification, I love when I see them as my colleagues, as chartered accountants. So that's what is the aim. So
Yes,
thank
all
you
the
so much.
very, very best to each one of your students.
Thank you so much, sir, for your best wishes. We have something for you also made by us. 1 minute, sir. I'll share that with you, sir.
Thank you.
And yes, sir, not able. Just 1 second. They made a very nice certificate. I don't know if it is visible, sir, on the screen.
No, not as of now.
Fine,
No,
sir.
no worries.
Maybe some network issues there. It is going
No,
down.
no,
I'll put it in the chat.
Thank you so much. God bless you all the very, very best. And my good wishes always with you. Feel free to connect. Dipti has my number. Anybody wishes
Yes,
to connect, talk to
definitely.
me. I'm always available, and it'll be a pleasure to guide you, help you, mentor you. Always available. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. It was great spending this Saturday evening with you. It was a lot of learning. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much, sir.
God bless
Thank
you.
you. Bye
Bye.
bye, sir. Bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Thank you to all the students who have attended live. And if you're watching this as a video, still, if you have some query, do let us know. Always, we are reachable. You can download the Concept Classes app also, which is there in the link, and you will get many of like this technical and all the topics discussion over there in the other series also. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend. There's some trouble in the StreamYard, not able to close this. It's hanging.
Yes. Try now. Shall I leave the studio?